how to insert page numbers in Google Docs starting on page 3. So first let's open up a Google Docs and say I want my numbering to start here on page 3. All we need to do is come to the start of it here, come up to Insert, then come down to Page Numbers, and you want this first one here. Press that. Now you want to select, as you can see, it starts 3, so we want to start at 1. You want to untick Link to Previous. Then you want the options, Page Number. You want to make sure Show on First Page is ticked. Start at 1. Press Apply. As you can see here, 1, 2, and so on. Now, actual page 1 and 2, I'll have 1 and 2. To remedy this, double click it, and just press delete like that. And that'll delete them too. But page 3 will start at 1. As you can see here, here, and it'll just keep going like that. So that's how to insert page numbers in Google Docs starting on page 3. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.